In today's video, we reveal the best models on the market this year. We picked and reviewed each product for you and ranked them by price, quality, performance, and more. And you could see their prices and find out more information by using the links in the description down below. Now, let's get straight to the list.
Today, we will be taking a look at the best acoustic guitars you can buy today. Number 5. Yamaha FG Series Acoustic Guitar. You probably weren't expecting to see Yamaha on a list of the top acoustic guitar brands. However, this is a brand that's been praised for consistent quality and fair, sometimes even budget, prices, giving the best value for money. Most big manufacturers have a budget line of guitars, but often you end up paying more for the brand association than you do for the quality of the guitar. And if you ever played a poorly made acoustic while learning, you know just how frustrating it can be. However, while Yamaha guitars are mostly known for value, a number of influential players have performed on Yamaha instruments, especially in the 1970s. They include Carlos Santana, John Denver, John Lennon, and Bob Dylan. Today, it's unusual to see professionals playing Yamaha acoustics, but their guitars remain an excellent choice for those looking for quality construction at a low price. You also can find some surprisingly high-end Yamaha acoustics at most major music stores. This brand makes guitars ranging from professional quality instruments to very inexpensive all-laminate beginner models. When it comes to the best Yamaha series, I think the A series wins. Every guitar model in the series is made for performance, comfortable to play, all solid wood, and has Yamaha's Studio Response Technology (SRT) pickup systems. However, if you want something more affordable, the best-selling FG series is a great choice. Number 4. Gibson J45 Acoustic Guitar. Even non-guitar players have likely heard of Gibson. It's a brand name seen on stages and in studios around the world. This brand has been making quality guitars for over 100 years. Both their acoustic guitars and their electric guitars are widely used by professional musicians. Most Gibson acoustic guitars are made of all solid wood, and acoustic electric models typically have LR bags pickup systems, which gives them a warm, natural-sounding amplified tone. And even though Gibson is a large company, their acoustics are all made by hand at their factory in Montana. If you've ever compared a cheap, mass-produced guitar to a high-end, handmade one, the difference is significant. When it comes to choosing a series of Gibson guitars, I think you can't go wrong with the original acoustic collection. Many of these are models that were originally made decades ago, but they remain player and collector favorites today. Of this line, the J45 Gibson Acoustic is my favorite, and it's a guitar I hope to own someday. This historic, slope-shouldered dreadnought was used by early folk and blues players, and plenty of modern performers still choose it. You can watch a head-to-head demo of the iconic Hummingbird and J45 Gibson guitars, both members of this collection, below. Number 3. Guild D125 Guitar. Guild has been making quality guitars since the 1950s, and their tagline is, "Made to be played." And while this brand doesn't have quite the popularity of Gibson or Fender, it's the choice of many professionals. Notably, the legendary musician Doyle Dykes plays Guild guitars and has his own signature model, a stunning grand orchestra guitar. Guild guitars are frequently described as having their own unique sound. To me, they have a brilliant sort of clarity about them, with punchy and natural-sounding bass. This demo of a Guild D55 might give you an idea of what I mean. Guild is a company that has been bought out several times, and its tumultuous history may explain why it isn't as well known as Martin or Taylor. The company also focused on electric archtop guitars during the 1950s and 60s. As archtops fell out of favor, Guild began moving back to manufacturing acoustics. The company's focus on excellent build quality and top-notch materials means that their guitars are a true joy to play. Guild doesn't really build budget guitars, so you can't go wrong with any of their models. However, if you're looking for a quality series, the Guild Acoustic Design GAD series offers all solid guitars made with a special focus on craftsmanship. These guitars come in Dreadnought, Concert, Classical, Jumbo, and Orchestra models. All have satin-finished tapered necks for excellent playability. Of these, the all-mahogany D125 is my favorite. It has all the classic depth of a Dreadnought with mahogany's added warmth. Number 2, Martin D28 acoustic guitar. Martin is the manufacturer responsible for introducing the Dreadnought body shape, X-bracing, and other key innovations to the world of acoustic guitars. Their amazingly responsive Dreadnoughts are often used as bluegrass instruments, and they sound great while being played fingerstyle too. However, the rich tone lends itself well to just about any musical style. The best-known Martin guitar is probably the D28. This all-solid spruce and rosewood Dreadnought has both deep bass response and the sparkling nuances of rosewood. From the body shape to the tonewood configuration, it's what a lot of people would consider the classic acoustic guitar. Martin is a brand steeped in history, but their guitars aren't without modern touches. Acoustic electric models have sophisticated electronics, usually by Fishman, and the brand has a connection to pop superstar Ed Sheeran, because Sheeran often played Little Martins on stage. He collaborated with Martin to produce his own signature Little Martins. You can see one of these guitars and listen to it in this video. If you want classic Martin sound, the D28 is a great go-to model. But if you want quality and playability without breaking the bank, I think the Road series is a good choice. These guitars are durable, playable, and made with quality electronics. They're great if you need a reliable gigging guitar, but don't want to spend a huge amount. Number 1, Taylor 300 series acoustic guitar. Taylor makes just about every type of acoustic guitar you could ask for, from affordable, durable workhorses to ornately inlaid limited editions. You can find something to suit most budgets and playing styles. They're also very pleasant to listen to. To my ear, Taylor guitars have a light, almost airy sound that suits modern singer-songwriters especially well. One thing that really sets Taylor guitars apart is their expression system pickups on acoustic electric models. This pickup system sits behind the saddle rather than under it. Because the pickup isn't compressed like a typical under-saddle pickup, the sound ends up being much more natural. Taylor also has pioneered a new bracing style, which many believe is a step up from traditional X bracing. Taylor's V-Class bracing is designed to let the soundboard vibrate more freely, resulting in improved sound and sustain. This video offers a demo of some of V-Class Taylor guitars. If you're looking for a beautifully made all solid wood guitar, Taylor's 300 series is the way to go. Many of these guitars feature V-Class bracing and quality appointments. Most are made with either spruce sapel or mahogany blackwood, which is a unique departure from more typical tonewood configurations. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line collector quality guitar, presentation models are the way to go.
You can check out the prices of all the products mentioned on this list in the description below. Thanks for watching today's video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for more content like this.